Everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is for Family Dollar, the 5 off of 25 for this Saturday, December the 10th. Remember, download all your digital coupons on the app, including the 5 off of 25 coupon. Get your total to $25. Scan your items at the store. Make sure they attach to the coupon on the app. Enter your number at the register and watch your total drop. If you follow along with my deals, here is a deal at Family Dollar for this Saturday. You're going to want to pick up one Arm & Hammer detergent, 118 to 144 ounces for $9.75 with a $3 off coupon. One Dawn Power Wash Starter Kit for $5.10 with a $2.25 off coupon. One Big 10 Count Razor Pack, $3.75 with a $1 off coupon. One Febreze Air Spray for $4 with a $2 off coupon. And one Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $3.50 with a $2 off coupon. Sorry, my writing was a little sloppy right there. So the goal, like I said, was to get to $25 for these items, and actually we hit $26.10. But then we're going to come over here and subtract the $10.25 in coupons, which brings our total down to $15.85. Then remember, I told you to click that 5 off of 25 coupon, and then your total will be $10.85 plus tax for all of these items right here at Family Dollar. That's $10.85 plus tax at Family Dollar this Saturday. If you want to break it down a little more, it will only be $2.17 per item. And remember, your tax will vary from state to state. Happy couponing.